Hi, everybody, and welcome to the New Economy Chamber of Commerce, your small business advocates for all aspects of the new economy. You'll find us online at theneweconomychamber.com. We exist because the new economy has changed everything and all aspects of our economy, from small business marketing and selling to how people and businesses buy things to the way we live our lives in the new digital age. So, a new digital economy needs a new digital chamber of commerce to help small businesses transition from wherever they are to wherever they want to be. Our transition team is here to help all businesses, but especially those who may be struggling to get new clients or customers and don't understand where to turn in this new digital economy. We believe in the fusion of the proven with the new and even the experimental new ways of networking, marketing, and selling. We've done the research to know unequivocally, if you don't make the transition to the new economy right now, you'll soon face setbacks or even obsolescence. So let's start with the proven. That's your local chamber of commerce. I interviewed Jay Lifson, the executive director of my own local chamber of commerce in Lafayette, California. And at first, we talked about the most current opportunity for local person-to-person networking and the upcoming Mega Mixer networking event. So listen to Jay Lifson, and he'll talk about the new economy. Jay, you have a Mega Mixer coming up. So tell me about that. First, describe what a mixer is, because it's a little bit different word that I guess is used pretty universally among chambers.
Yeah, after hours,
Networking,
get together.
Yeah. And then now you've got a mega mixer. So you put on mixers, and now you've got a group of chambers. So how many chambers are coming? How many people do you expect? And help me understand
So
that.
I think we have 7 or 8 chambers coming. We've been doing this with our neighbors. So we have Walnut Creek, Pleasant Hill, Martinez, Concord, Orinda, Moraga, Lafayette, and the Hispanic Chamber. So I think it's 7 or 8 chambers. We've been doing this for a number of years. We started it here in Lafayette. We firmed out the last couple, and we're back in Lafayette again this year. We'll be at the Veterans Memorial Building and Event Center, and that'll be on Wednesday. That's next Wednesday, the 25th of July, and it will run from 5:30 to 7:30. Each of the chambers will be bringing a restaurant from their community, and we'll do a little fundraising for some of the programs that are important to our veterans at the same time. But it's always a good time.
And it's always a good time to join your local chamber of commerce wherever you are in the country in order to create the powerful fusion of person-to-person networking, the proven, to launch your much-needed change to digital networking as a powerful one-two punch of networking, marketing, and selling all rolled into one. You can learn more about our upcoming Mega Chamber Boot Camp to learn all aspects of adding digital networking to your local chamber networking to increase your odds of achieving and maximizing your success in the new economy and with your local hometown chamber of commerce. I'm Mike Hayes for the New Economy Chamber of Commerce, your small business advocates for all aspects of the new digital economy, and you'll find us at theneweconomychamber.com. Thanks for joining me.